Alright, we are going to open up a AEM log and review it for a Toyota Supra. So you gotta open up AEM log, you will find your file, you're gonna plot 3 graphs. Engine speed's a good one, engine load, and O2. That's pretty good. Sometimes you want to overlay them a different way, but this will work to start. You'll draw it. So engine speed, engine load, and O2 sensor. So if you've got a long log, you can point out the load because it'll be higher. So I want to zoom in here, so I'm going to right click, zoom in, and then you click where you on the left mouse button, depending on where you want to zoom. So left click 1, left click 2, and then you can see on the top right hand side that this engine load, that's in kPa. You'll need to do a conversion calculator on that to figure out what your PSI is, but 200 kPa is 14 pounds, and 250K is right around 21 pounds. So you're probably about 27, 8 pound spike, tapering off to about 22. Double check all that, because that's could be wrong. If you want to add stuff, you can right click, overlay. You need to pick which chart you want to overlay. So we're going to overlay 2, which is the boost map. We're going to overlay timing and knock voltage. Let's get rid of the knock because it is a little bit cluttery. I'm going to zoom in again, right click, zoom in, left click. So here we can see that timing comes down, timing comes up. Your fuels are approximately 11.0. Good to go. Zoom out. We can overlay on the 3rd chart the knock volts. Overlay on the 2nd chart vehicle speed. And then you have all this data to look at. The colors kind of start to suck, so keeping it simple. So you could also overlay vehicle speed here, draw it, and then go to overlay on the 2nd chart, remove the timing, and look at the O2. So now you see right when we get a boost, nice and good air fuel. Hopefully that helps.